Just explain the calculation you need, and let the agent handle the formula for you. If you need more assistance, just ask. The agent enables you to write formulas like a pro. And if you want to know how it works, just ask. The agent matched the order IDs in the Returns tab to the order IDs in the Orders tab to flag the returns in 10,000 rows in just a few seconds. If you need help with formulas, try the agent for free.